on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It is very early this morning and we are on our way to meet up with a few cars and go on a cruise down to Cars and Coffee in Kemah. Now, I wasn't able to go to the main Cars and Coffee here in Houston, but Houston is very large, so they've got a bunch of other local Cars and Coffees, and right now we're gonna go meet up with a few other nice cars and cruise down to Kemah. So before we head out, let me give you guys a neighborhood friendly morning cold start in tour mode. So that is the neighborhood friendly mode. That is tour mode, cold start. And as you guys can see, once it kind of warms up, it's a lot quieter. This is how I'm able to go to work every day during the week at 5:30 and not get any of my neighbors mad. Alright guys. Whew. Man. Shout out to the NPP exhaust in this quiet mode, because you literally can go through a neighborhood and not worry about your car or just waking up everybody. I mean, it's the weekend, it's still really early, and I'm not worried one bit. So that is the one good benefit of this, and why I probably won't be going to any aftermarket axlebacks or things like that. By the way, guys, check out the merch. Got the Shield logo tee, have it in black. I also have it available in white. Make sure you check that out, and the description down below. Teespring, you can get yourself. These are really nice, good quality shirts, very, very soft, and I'm sure you guys will really enjoy them. So if you like them, make sure you go down there and grab yourself one and help, rep my channel and get the word out there to help this channel grow. Alright, we are now out of the neighborhood. Time to put it into sport and hear this baby growl. Here we go. Never ever get old, guys. This thing just screams when it's wide open and you have it in sport and the valves and the exhaust are open. If you guys haven't checked out my last video, it was awesome. This car is running beastly. I mean, I am so impressed with the way this car is running with the little minimal mods that it has, and I'm very proud of it. It's doing really well. I can't wait to do it in a lot more of the other mods that I want to do to it, because once I do, whew, this thing's gonna be a beast. So it's a weekend, very early, so I have a couple cars, a couple Ford Focus STs, one that's really cool, definitely has some really good aero designs into it and everything. We got a more stockish ST, Turbo Z TSV, and a F-body Camaro. So we're about to roll out and hopefully have a good time. For those of you guys that like the old school muscle, looks like we've got a Cougar. Really nice, love that paint. Well, two Cougars actually. I think this is another, yep, two Cougars, a 64 and a 70. Looks, these are really nice. Almost remind me of a somewhat like a Mustang-ish style. Not too much with the flat low back and then the notch in the back, but beautiful cars. We've got the all white, and then we've got the Cougar XR7. I'm not sure what that means, but love the paint. Matching wheels, interior. Beautiful, beautiful car. Mercury Cougar XR7. Very nice. That is badass right there. Woo! So this meet was a bust. There really wasn't that many cars showing up. So we're actually going to be rolling out to another Cars and Coffee. Like I mentioned to you guys, Houston's so big, there's so many meets. So I think that's what happened. They did 2 Cars and Coffees at 2 different locations the same day. So we're going to go to the next location. And I've been to the next one, and there's usually a nice little bit of cars. So should be a nice little drive, cruise, and we'll see if there's any kind of good cars out there. That CTSV sounds so good, guys. Those turbos, woo! Alright guys, we are getting here to Redemption Square Cars and Coffee. You guys can see they got all the signs here. So let's hopefully see some good cars out here. Turbo. Got Chick-fil-A in the house. All the Corvettes. Got some really nice cars out here. Alright guys, so this is Redemption Square. As you can see, this just started. This event here starts from 9 to 11, so a little bit later than normal. But everyone's still rolling up. We got a bunch of nice cars out here. I'll try to show you guys as much as I can for those, but I'm about to try to go get me some Chick-fil-A. Alright guys, so check it out. Got this red eye, non-wide body. As you can see the plaque, the black red eye badge, the head gasket or head covers or valve covers. Really nice. Got one on bags, there's all this now. This isn't for everybody, but you know, if you're into this kind of thing. Demon Scat. Looks like it's the Scat Pack. This is my thing right here. It's dirty, but I bet you this thing is quick. Lightning with the Whipple from Ford Racing. And Nitrous. Beautiful. Grand National. This is nice. Check it out, guys. All the colored, powder coated options. Grand National. Even has a Grand National center caps. That is nice. Oh yeah. All the Corvettes, which in about a year will be all the C8s. What do you guys think? Would you guys get a C8 or go for one of these? Oh, got a beautiful Camaro here. Oh my goodness, this is nice. fiber. Oh yeah. Beautiful. The Z06. Ooh, look at those Recaros in this. Ooh. Man, I love when people modify their cars and do them just right. Check out the wheels. Got the Z06, of course, with the wide body fenders. Nice wheels, and look at this interior. Quilted stitching, carbon fiber. I mean, whew. This is a super clean example. Even the bumper, guys. I mean, these are all details. Like I always keep telling you guys, it's all in the details. Got a black Stingray, and if you notice, he's got the, looks like the competition seats from like a ZR1 on a Stingray. Oh, that is nice too. Got a nice clean, another Z06 here. This one looks like it's pretty much all original, but it's got some nice details. Carbon fiber covers, the under hood, and it's for sale, guys. $24,500. This is beautiful. Little gold flake center caps. Notice how this one doesn't have that extra lip on the back bumper, but really beautiful, really nice. We got Vipers, got one there, got another one over here. If I was getting a Viper, this is the one I would get. I feel like I love, look at just how much punched out that arch is in the back. This is, plus this one came in a manual and had no assist whatsoever. Definitely a driver's car, and they're cheaper than the newer ones. We've got more Mustangs out here. Looks like we got a Bullet Mustang. Really like these. These are really nice. Woo! Check this one out, guys. Bagged everything. A few more over here, like. Ooh, is this a GTO? Firebird. Yep, Firebird. Beautiful. And then there it is. Look at that. The NSX. And we've got a, looks like a wide body Scat. Shelby GT500. Porsche. Check this out. Whew. Man, this is clean. Now, everyone says a Corvette, the new C8 looks kind of like this, but there's no way. This is the Corvette's gonna be a little longer, and the proportions are just not there compared to that new C8. This looks good, but the C8 looks even, to me, better. What do you guys think? Beautiful. I love the black on those gray wheels. Oh yeah. Front kind of does look like an NSX. I'm not gonna lie, the C8 has that same kind of look, but is not as pronounced like the vents. And look at these intakes. Just see the radiators right there in the back. That is nice, really nice. And then of course we've got the wide body Scats. As we all know, Dodge decided to pretty much trickle down all their big Hellcat stuff down to the rest of their models, and so now you can get a 6.4 wide body Scat with similar wheels and everything. These are really nice. I love the SRT new spoiler. Looks a little better, more aggressive. And of course GT500s, those are always really nice. C5s. A lot of really nice cars out here. We'll see if some more show up, and hopefully get to show them to you guys. Woo. Check it out, guys. This one's got a lot of stuff. Got the Lambo doors, all the lighting. Check out the interior. Got Vicks and get the whole rotating. Now this is a true display. You got the hood, custom hood stripe. Got the lighting, the headlights, you know, kind of like the eyebrow. I like that. That looks really nice. surprised I don't see many more Corvettes with that option. You got the wheel rings, got your doors, and then even got the illuminated door sills, custom embroidery on the seats, full red leather steering wheel and airbag. I mean, they've definitely done some stuff. Got the wrap black. Ooh, and check out the back. Got two 12s, full custom. Look like tinted tail lights. Oh, these tips are nice. They're like titanium but black with the coloring. This is awesome. What do you guys think of that? That is awesome. That is really good. Alright guys, check out what's coming right now. I don't know if it's gonna turn here or turn around, but check this out. Oh, what you know about that? That's Houston. Oh, what you know about that? Three-wheeling. Yeah. Check it out. That is cool. Got the full hydraulics. There we go. Nice. Oh yeah. Alright guys, we are out. It was a great show. Saw lots of cool cars. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of these cars, and hopefully I can get you guys some other ones. So we'll see how we do. The cars were nice. I hope you guys enjoyed the content, and now it's time for me to head back home. But like always guys, if you enjoyed the content and you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. If you liked what you saw, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.